Good morning to everyone at our head office and to our colleagues at project sites across the country. Many of you working far from home, yet always close to the heart of HCC. Aap sabko mera namaskar. Today is a very special day for us. HCC completes 100 years. 100 years of work is difficult to describe. It does not live only in dates or milestones. Rather, it lives in tunnels carved through mountains, in structures and terrain that once defied ambition. It lives in the sweat of generations, in a billion man-hours of grit and perseverance, and in the quiet confidence of families who pass safely through what we have built. It lives in the daily routines and aspirations of millions of Indians and in the national security and economic strength of our country. ये सिर्फ projects की कहानी नहीं है, ये लोगों की कहानी है. A century of HCC is the product of strong, quiet decisions taken every day by engineers, planners, supervisors, workers, and partners, often far from home and under demanding conditions. This is what has brought our infrastructure to life. इस संस्था की पहचान कभी शोर से नहीं बनी. ये उन लोगों के काम से बनी है जो चुपचाप जिम्मेदारी उठाते रहें. मुश्किल साइट हो या कठिन फैसला, काम सही तरीके से करना ही पहली शर्त थी. इसी लगातार मेहनत और अनुशासन ने भरोसे की नींव रखी है जो आज तक कायम है. From the very beginning, HCC has stood for one simple idea: building for Bharat. Not merely building assets, but building capability, confidence, and continuity for the nation. Building for Bharat का मतलब सिर्फ structures बनाना नहीं है. इसका मतलब है देश के भविष्य की जिम्मेदारी लेना. This sense of responsibility has been part of HCC from the very beginning. Our founder, Seth Walchand Hirachand, believed that Indian enterprise and Indian engineering must stand on their own strength, serve national purpose, and meet the highest standards of integrity and excellence. At a time when such conviction was rare, he demonstrated what it meant to build institutions that endure. That founding spirit continues to guide HCC today. इस संस्था की शुरुआत सेठ वालचंद हीराचंद की एक साफ और अटल सोच से हुई थी. उनका मानना था कि देश के लिए किया गया काम ईमानदारी, क्वालिटी और दूर की सोच के साथ होना चाहिए. उन्होंने ये समझा कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सिर्फ आज की ज़रूरत नहीं होता, बल्कि आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए दिया गया वचन होता है. उसी सोच के साथ सालों तक कठिन हालातों में भी सही फैसले लिए गए. यही सोच आज भी हमारे काम का आधार है. As we mark this centenary, India itself stands at an important moment. The country has embarked on an infrastructure program that is finally worthy of its long-term ambitions. Experience teaches us, however, that scale alone does not determine outcomes. Infrastructure succeeds when it is planned rigorously, executed with discipline, and designed to deliver lasting public value. The next century will demand even greater responsibility as expectations rise and complexity deepens. It will require that projects fulfill the purpose for which they were initiated, that they are completed on time and within cost, that safety and quality remain non-negotiable, that sustainability is pursued with seriousness and intent, and that we continue to respect the land and the communities within which we work. 100 साल का गौरव है, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा 100 साल की जिम्मेदारी. Infrastructure is woven into the rhythms of everyday life. It shapes how people travel, work, learn, and build futures of their families. The choices we make today will guide the country through decades of growth and transition. This centenary carries pride, but it also carries responsibility. 2 weeks ago, respected Prime Minister Shri Modi ji honored HCC, Dada in particular, Shalaka and me, with his time. At our request, he has blessed us with a few words for our centenary publication. I will quote now only a small part. It is a pleasure to extend my wishes to the Hindustan Construction Company as it completes 100 years of operations, a rare and prestigious milestone in the life of any institution. This occasion offers a unique opportunity to look back with satisfaction at a century of engineering excellence while reflecting on the immense responsibilities that lie ahead in shaping the India of tomorrow. Those words capture this moment precisely. Pride in what has been built and a deep sense of responsibility about what lies ahead. This recognition by Adarniya Pradhan Mantri ji belongs to generations of HCC people who have quietly carried this responsibility and to those who will carry it into the future. Looking ahead, India's future infrastructure will not only be about roads, tunnels, and power. It will equally be about healthcare, education, housing, mobility, and civic and cultural spaces. It will require more green infrastructure, parks, green belts, parkways, public landscapes that allow our cities to breathe, restore balance, and return time and dignity to daily life. अच्छी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का मतलब है लोगों की जिंदगी में सुविधा, सुरक्षा और सम्मान. Technology will support us in the years ahead through data, digital tools, and artificial intelligence. These tools will strengthen judgment, not replace it. Engineering will remain a human endeavor. Technology मदद करेगी, लेकिन फैसला और जिम्मेदारी हमेशा इंसान की समझ और विवेक पर ही निर्भर रहेगी. जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हम बनाते हैं वो सिर्फ कंक्रीट और स्टील नहीं होता, वो जीता जागता होता है. वो लोगों की ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बनता है, रोज़ के सफ़र का सहारा बनता है और शहरों और गांवों के बीच भरोसा जोड़ता है. हर पुल एक वचन होता है, हर सुरंग एक विश्वास और हर प्रोजेक्ट एक पीढ़ी से दूसरी पीढ़ी तक दिया गया भरोसा. 100 साल तक हमने इस वचन को निभाया है और आज जब हम अगले 100 सालों की ओर देखते हैं, हम ये वादा करते हैं कि ये भरोसा, ये जिम्मेदारी और ये कर्तव्य कभी कमज़ोर नहीं होने देंगे. Standing on the shoulders of our history, we enter a new century guided by the institution that shaped us, committed to serving the nation with integrity, discipline and respect. आप सबका धन्यवाद इस संस्था को अपनी मेहनत और ईमानदारी से मजबूत बनाने के लिए. Together we will continue building for Bharat, for this generation and for those who will follow.